All right, Apple fans, get ready because it's almost here. After nearly 3 long years, the iPad mini is finally getting a much needed upgrade. Will it get a supercharged processor, maybe a sleek new design, or dare we dream of a folding screen? Stay tuned, because today we're diving into everything you need to know about the upcoming iPad mini 7. This one is going to be a game changer for Apple's smallest tablet. And trust me, you're going to want to hear what's. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. See, looking for a way to stay secure online? Try CyberGhost VPN. With over 9,000 servers worldwide, it offers lightning-fast connections and top-tier encryption to protect your privacy. Plus, you can unlock streaming content from anywhere. Use my link to get it now with 83% off and 2 months free with 2 years plan. CyberGhost, the perfect VPN for your digital freedom. What's next? So the iPad mini, remember that little guy? The last time Apple gave it a facelift was way back in 2021 with the 6th gen model. That update was huge at the time. We got a larger display, Touch ID on the power button, USB-C instead of Lightning finally, and an upgraded camera. But here we are in 2024 and the mini hasn't seen a single new version in 3 whole years. What's up, Apple? Did you forget about the mini? Well, the good news is we're hearing rumors that the iPad mini 7 could be coming very soon, maybe even this October. But hold on, Apple's been known to make us wait. Remember the iPad mini 4? We had to wait 42 months for an update after that one. I know, it's painful, but this time, we're hopeful it won't take that long. Apple insider Mark Gurman and super analyst Ming-Chi Kuo are saying the iPad mini is on deck for an October launch. That's right, it's on deck, meaning it could be just around the corner. So start saving those pennies, people. Now, speaking of pennies, or dollars I should say, how much will this bad boy cost? The price is expected to stay pretty much the same. In the US, that's $499, so no big shocks there. Although, let's be honest, with Apple, you never know until that checkout screen shows up, right? Now, let's talk design. Will the Mini 7 look radically different? Probably not. Apple's most likely sticking with the sleek, compact design we know and love. But we might get some spicy new color options, similar to what they've done with the iPhone 16 and the 10th gen iPad. Darker, bolder colors, yes please. And the screen, same size, folks. That 8.3-inch display isn't changing, and it's a big but. There's buzz about Apple tackling that jelly scrolling issue that made the Mini 6 look a little laggy. So smoother scrolling could be on the horizon. Now here's where things get really interesting, the processor. Right now, the iPad mini 6 runs on the A15 chip, which is solid, but not exactly cutting edge anymore. With the Mini 7, rumors are pointing to an A17 chip. That's the same processor powering the iPhone 15 Pro, meaning this little tablet could pack some serious power. Oh, and there's talk about Apple doubling the RAM from 4 to 8 gigabytes. That extra memory could be a game changer if Apple's new Apple Intelligence AI features are coming to the mini. One thing we all hate, running out of storage. The base iPad mini 6 came with just 64 gigabytes. And in today's world, that's like bringing a teaspoon to a soup eating contest. Rumor has it that Apple's finally bumping the storage to 128 gigabytes in the base model. And for those of you with massive photo libraries or a Netflix addiction, there's hope that the storage ceiling will rise from 256 to 512 gigabytes. Fingers crossed. As for the display, don't expect OLED just yet. It's rumored that OLED isn't coming to the iPad mini until at least 2026. Yeah, that's a bit of a bummer. But hey, the current screen's not bad at all. Plus, we could see promotion tech coming to the Mini, which means a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Imagine how amazing your games, videos, and TikTok scrolls will look. Now, if you were hoping for a folding iPad mini, don't hold your breath. Apple is reportedly working on foldables, but it's not happening with this mini. And honestly, at the price we're looking at, a foldable iPad mini would probably cost like the same as your car. So there you have it. The iPad mini 7 is shaping up to be a mighty little device that could seriously shake up Apple's tablet game. Faster chip, more storage, smoother display. It's got a lot going for it. Are you excited? Because I know I am. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and let me know in the comments if you're planning to grab the iPad mini 7 when it drops. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!